In this video, I'll guide you through how to create suppression lists in HubSpot. Suppression lists are essential for ensuring that your email marketing campaigns reach the right audience while avoiding those who shouldn't be contacted. Whether you're managing unsubscribed contacts or handling invalid emails, this process will help you keep your communications clean and compliant. First, let's navigate to the right place within HubSpot. Open up your HubSpot account and go to the CRM section. From there, look for the lists option. This is where you can manage all your lists and create new ones according to your needs. Once you're in the list section, you'll see a button that says create list. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the list creation area, it's important to select the type of list you want. For suppression purposes, choose the active list option. This means the list will update automatically as contacts meet or no longer meet your criteria, keeping it current without manual updates. Next, name your list something specific, like Global Suppression List. This will help you easily identify its purpose when you're managing your lists. With the list type selected and named, it's time to add the necessary filters. Filters help define who should be included in this suppression list. Use the OR logic for these filters, so any contact meeting any one of the conditions will be added to the list. The first filter to add is unsubscribed from all email is true. This ensures that anyone who has opted out of all communications won't receive any unintended messages. Next, add a filter for email hard bounce reason is known. Hard bounces can occur due to invalid addresses or other permanent issues. Including them in the suppression list helps maintain your email deliverability rates and keeps your sender reputation intact. The third filter is invalid email is true. Like hard bounces, this captures contacts with email addresses that are known to be invalid, preventing unnecessary sending attempts to these contacts. Finally, include a filter for life cycle stage is unqualified. This condition ensures that any contacts who have been marked as unqualified in your CRM system are also suppressed from email campaigns, allowing you to focus your efforts on more promising leads. Once all these filters are set up, remember to save your list. This will activate the list with the criteria you've established. HubSpot will now automatically update this suppression list with any contacts that meet the conditions you've specified, ensuring your email communications are streamlined and targeted appropriately. By following these steps, you'll have a robust suppression list in HubSpot, keeping your email marketing efforts efficient and compliant. Regularly reviewing and managing your suppression list will also help in maintaining a healthy contact database. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you create your own suppression list in HubSpot with ease.